Hi, welcome back to English for Future. Today we are going to look at a short dialogue of two people in an emergency situation. Now let's get started. Hey, that car just ran a red line and hit that truck. Is anyone hurt? I don't know. Let's call 911. Hello? I'd like to report a car accident near the post office on the Charles Street. It looks like a man is hurt. Yes, it just happened. Okay, thanks. Bye. What did they say? They're going to send an ambulance and a police car right away. Good. They're here. I hope the man is okay. I know. You have to be so careful when you're driving. Now let's look at the first line. Hey, this expression is used to show surprise. Notice how that car just ran a red line and hit that truck. It's said with a lot of energy. Is anyone hurt? This is a yes/no question, so the intonation rises at the end. Notice how this question is asked in a worry way. I like to report a car accident near the post office on Charles Street. Notice how the keywords car accident, post office, and Charles Street are stressed. These are the important details that the emergency services need. It just happened is a way of saying it happened a moment ago. Notice the stress on just, which emphasizes that the accident happened very, very recently. What did they say? Notice how say is emphasized, but the intonation falls at the end of the word. This is a what question, so the intonation falls at the end. Now repeat after me. Hey, that car just ran a red line and hit that truck. Is anyone hurt? I don't know. Let's call 911. Hello? I'd like to report a car accident near the post office on the Charles Street. It looks like a man is hurt. Yes, it just happened. Okay, thanks. Bye. What did they say? They're going to send an ambulance and a police car right away. Good. They're here. I hope the man is okay. I know. You have to be so careful when you're driving. That is all for today's video. If you enjoy it, please give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I will be back with more videos. Bye!